Hi everybody, my name's Steve Conley. I'm the owner of Auto Collision and Repair in Georgetown, Delaware. We're really hoping that you're having a great summer so far, staying safe, staying healthy. And speaking of summer, is your vehicle ready for the Great American Summer Road Trip? Have you had it checked out recently? Have you had your oil change recently? Speaking of oil change, we're offering $10 off right now on any oil change. And we can check all kinds of things when you come in. We can check all your fluids. We'll go ahead and check your tires and check your wiper blades, all your filters, washer fluid. Just make sure everything's good. Your shocks. We can check your alignment for you. So give us a call, make an appointment, same day service. And the other thing is, if you have any auto body work and you're going on a trip and you're not taking that car, leave it with us. We'll have it done by the time you get back. So give us a call, 302-856-7070. And make sure your vehicle is ready for the Great American Summer Road Trip. Thank you very much. Have a safe trip. God bless you and God bless America.